Doc, totoo ba ang fruits ang dahilan ng fatty liver? Yung sobra-sobrang pagkain ng fruits, ito po yung isa sa mga dahilan. Why is that? Kasi yung prutas po are nature's candies. It's supposed to be enjoyed reasonably na parang dessert. This is in the context of kung hindi pa malala ang inyong sakit, you can have yung occasional fruits po ninyo. Kung grabe pa po talaga yung sakit ninyo, completely out of control, meron po tayong food guides. Ito po yung grupo natin. Mag-join po kayo dyan. Kapag nag-join kayo, you will be able to get yung welcome package. The welcome package includes yung food guide po natin. Food guide has all the lists ng mga pagkain that you can look into, mga, for example, prutas, example of the fruits that you can have reasonably po, within the net carb allowance. Yung prutas nga, as I was saying, it's nature's candies. Meron siyang natural na asukal na kung tawagin ay fructose. The unique thing about fructose, yan po ay diretso po yan sa atay, mga kapatid. And so if you're eating a very big portion of that, then that will contribute. Although sugar po siya, right? It's sugar. It's the base material is sugar, but it gets deposited sa liver natin as fat. And isa po yan sa mga causes talaga ng fatty liver. Many people, they don't eat other things. Sasabihin nila, oh, di naman ako nagre-rice, di naman ako nagre-bread. In fact, nakikita ko to a lot in my patients. Hindi sila palakain ng rice, walang bread, pero grabe magprutas. Kaya nga po, matindi pa rin yung fatty liver. Kasi diretso po sa atay yung epekto ng fructose po na yan.